today I transformed into a modern teenage glam Cinderella. And yeah, Cinderella's always been my favourite Disney princess, probably because I watched all of the movies and didn't really watch many of the others, or at least that I remember. This is what I created. I got some yellow in there, some blue, the beautiful pink lips. We got some short, updated new hair with a fringe and some new clothes. So yeah, if you want to see how I got this look, then just keep on watching. I'm gonna start by taking this color and this color eyeshadow, and I'm going to just fill in my eyebrows quite Instagrammy like this one is. Very like a block brow, but still with a bit of a fade. Using darker, more of the black towards the tail of the brow. Now I'm going to take the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, and I'm also going to take a flat brush like this, and we're really going to carve out and define the eyebrows. Also going to do the top. Even going to do in front of it too. Okay, now that we have the eyebrow on, I'm going to take some more of the concealer and prime my eyelid. Then I'm going to set the concealer with a bit of powder. For the eyeshadow, we're going to be working mainly with these cream colours that I have from Ben Nye. It's the Rainbow Wheel. But if you have blue eyeshadow, this will be a lot easier. I'm going to start by taking this really thin definer brush. I'm going to take some of the royal blue here. And we're basically just going to draw a line in our crease, or where we want our crease to be. Then with the same brush, I'm just going to push some of the cream upwards. Then I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush like this, and I'm going to blend the eyeshadow. Then on this brush, I'm going to take a bit more of the blue and go back in and blend. Just going to repeat those steps until you got enough blue in the crease. Now I'm going to take some of this white, also from Ben Nye. It's the Clown White. On the same brush we used to carve out our eyebrows. Just going to put a little bit under the eyebrow bone. I'm going to take a blending brush like this and blend that out. Now I'm going to be mixing a little bit of this blue with some of this white to create a sort of Cinderella looking baby blue here. And then I just cleaned this definer brush, and we're going to use this to carve out the crease. Then I'm going to take some of the royal blue just to help clean up the line of the cut crease. Now I'm just going to set all of the creams. Take this flat brush again and the white paint And I'm going to put that on the inner corner. I'm going to take this pencil brush with this white eyeshadow here. I'm going to be placing that on the inner corner. And then on the eyelid. Just to add some princessy sparkle. I'm also going to put some on the brow bone. Then I'm going to take this highlighter here. This is the Steeler Heaven's Hue highlighter in Opalescence, and this highlight is quite like wet looking and also shimmery, so I'm gonna put that on the eyelid. And I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow brush like this. I'm gonna put that on the inner corner too, and on the brow bone. Be taking this black paint here, but you can use an eyeliner if you want to, and I'm just going to be creating a little Cinderella wing like this one. Set that as well. Okay, so I put some eyelashes and mascara on, and now I'm just going to be doing the face makeup. First, I'm going to start by applying some strobe cream in silver, just because I feel like she would be very glowy. I just kind of want to look like I have Barbie skin, so I'm just adding some glow first to help us achieve the Barbie glow, the plastic glow. Just putting that in all the main areas you would put highlight, except for the forehead. I'm just putting it all over there. So cheekbones, chin, nose, cupid's bow, forehead. Now for the skin, we want to get it beautiful and flawless, so I'm going to start by taking a medium coverage foundation. This is the Nude by Nature foundation, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. We'll add a lot more coverage where we need it with the concealer. Now, because we're doing a modern day Cinderella, I'm going to be contouring because that's very popular now, and I created my own contour colour with some of the paints. This is the colour here. It's a very light ashy brown, and I'm just going to be chiseling my face. Oh my god, it looks grey. I'm going to take some of this lipstick and try and warm it up a bit more. Really chiseling today. I'm just going to stop trying to blend this. Then I'm just going to take my foundation brush and really blend it. Then I'm going to do the same for here. Just blend with your foundation brush. Oh my goodness. I'm just going to take it down my nose a little bit. And then I'm just going to blend that a little bit with my foundation brush. And I think that's actually a good colour because you can almost barely see it. Now we're going to do the highlighting and concealing. I'm going to do my under eyes first. I'm going to use a sponge. Also, this isn't a damp sponge either. I'm also going to take that on at the edge of my nose to help contour. After we finish highlighting, we are going to clean this eyeshadow up. Okay, now I'm also going to take some down my nose, on my forehead, chin, and moustache area. Bippity boppity boo. Then I'm also going to just clean up my contour. Now I'm going to take the concealer and clean up my eyeshadow. I'm just going to take my sponge and blend this out. Okay, I'm going to set under my eyes, and only under my eyes because we want to look super dewy. This is such an ugly face. I'm going to take some bronzer and bronze. And I'm really going ham with the bronzer. I'm going to take some of the bronzer and go on my nose because who has time to contour their nose? On my jaw and down my neck. For blush, I decided to go with a really pinky blush and lots of cartoon characters tend to wear a lot of blush or like really bright pink cute blush on their cheeks, so we're just going to add a little bit of that. See, it goes perfectly with your eye. Also, blush is really in right now. Okay, so I just added some nice little cute little pink blush. And now another thing that people seem to love that Cinderella doesn't usually wear is highlight. So I'm going to be putting some beautiful metallic highlight on. Oh my goodness. I'm also going to put a bit onto my nose because people seem to love that like bright nose highlight look. And then because one highlight isn't enough, I'm going to add another one, and this one just has more sparkle to it rather than being metallic like the other one I just put on. This is for all the highlight lovers out there. Oh my goodness. Oh. I never wear this much highlight. Now I've only got lips, my under eye, and then I can show you my wig that I'm gonna put on because my hair's not blonde, you know? Okay, we're gonna do the under eye. So I mixed the paints together and I made this like nice pale yellow that I'm gonna put under the eye because when I think of Cinderella, I think of yellow. I think some people think of yellow too. So we might as well add some yellow instead of just being all blue, you know? And I'm actually gonna take this brush and just apply that closely to the lash line. And also a lot of colours in at the moment, so the more the better. Swear pale yellow just automatically makes you look cuter, like a little baby, like aww. I'm just going to set that. Now I'm going to put some black in the waterline because I think when you think of teenagers, I think nearly everyone goes through a more grungy phase or like emo phase, I guess. So we're going to put some black in the waterline. And then I'm also going to apply some mascara and I'll be right back. Now the last thing I'm going to do is apply some lipstick. I'm just going to be taking this like pink here, it's just a pretty standard sort of pink, very wearable. And I'm just going to apply it with my finger. But she seems to just have like quite a pinky lips. Not many teenagers would wear this sort of colour, so I'm going to be taking a dark brown lip liner and lining my lips and creating a ombre lip. I'm just going to blend the two together. I'm actually going to be taking some highlighter and putting it on my body. Okay, so the makeup is all done. This is the more modern glam teenager version of, well, modern day teenager version of Cinderella's makeup. Now I'm going to go put a wig on and a few accessories, and I'll be back to show you the grand reveal. Okay, so this is the finished look. I put my blonde wig on. I made my own, this is just like I made my own headband, and my outfit is just a yellow little tube top. So yeah, she's obviously cut her hair and cut her own fringe, which a lot of teenagers are doing nowadays. But anyways, yes, this is the finished transformation look. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure to subscribe, follow my Instagram and tag me if you recreate it, and don't forget to like so that I know you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you guys for another Halloween tutorial next time. Bye!